first thing that you really need to understand is that business owners focus on how to make money. That's all we care about. How do we make money? There are 4 ways that you're gonna be able to make money. Hard work, that's gonna make you some money. That's what we are used to. That's what we're all familiar with, hard work. Then you get to smart work. Now, I've heard many people say this. I wanna hear what y'all think. What do y'all think smart work means? You say less work but get paid more? Passive income? Efficiency. So the difference between hard work and smart work is smart work makes hard work more efficient. That's the only difference. It's not less work, it's more efficient work. You learn how to use less product to get the same result. That saves money, that makes you more money. You learn how to cut some corners so that you can save time, because that's more efficient. You learn how to add services to an existing appointment because the time it takes you to disrobe a person and have another person sit down is time. And so instead of doing all of that, you add a service to somebody that's there, saves time, makes more money. So that's efficiency. Less work is when you get into higher price services. When you start to get into higher price services, you do less work, you make more money. When you get into no work, this is what we want, is we're focused on how do we do no work and make money. That's passive income.